Your search is finally ended. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2 full, and 2 half-bathroom home, located in lovely Fairfax, Virginia, will satisfy even the most discriminating buyer. Pamela Jones of Long & Foster would like to invite you to visit this presentation tour. Please, take a moment and walk through this picture-perfect property. If you have any questions, contact Pamela at 703-724-9494. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.